What up, YouTube? Well, when my mechanic swapped my motor in, he broke my heater box, and it's fiberglass, and I didn't really feel like fiberglass in it, so I ended up using some of this. Got it from O'Reilly's, the auto parts store. Not too spendy either. It's a 60-inch roll, so you get quite a bit of it. Metal mend tape, shaped right to it. It was pretty nice. Helped block out the heat, because he shattered it when he dropped it. When we put the engine in it, it hit he hit it with the engine. He hit the heater box. Temporary fix until I either take it out or get a new one, I guess. Look at that. That'll rock, baby.